Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Warren G. Chan, and today I'm here now in South Lake Tahoe in California. And I'm going to show you guys what is the best thing to do in California side of Lake Tahoe. We landed in San Francisco International Airport and drive 5 hours to get to our hotel, Harvest, with a breathtaking view. Welcome to the heart and soul of Lake Tahoe. The Tahoe City remains a vibrant and prosperous place to live, visit, and work. You can enjoy 4-star dining, homegrown coffee shops, elegant boutiques, and art galleries. Located in North Lake Tahoe, Tahoe City offers an array of year-round activities, including snow sports in winter, and hiking, camping, fishing, and water sports in summer. This small town is a wonderful place to spend time with the family, enjoy world-class recreation, or just relax and enjoy the view. On our way going to Sun Harbor. This is another side, the north side of Lake Tahoe, but it's also part of Nevada. We saw like one really good place in Instagram. In love with the pictures and video. We're looking where it is now. So once we found out that place, I'm gonna take a video. I'm gonna show it to you guys, okay? Finally, we found a parking spot. Like it takes like almost an hour for us looking for a place to park, and finally we found one. So we are here now in the place. So we're gonna walk like a little bit down there. We're gonna use the main entrance, and let's see. I think we're gonna swim there. So we're finally here, and as you can see, there's like a beautiful formation of rocks, like a huge different kind of sizes. This is one of my favorite places. Such a beautiful location with the view being breathtaking if you go at the right time. Okay, and one of the best highlights of our trip, we are going to Miss Dixie dinner, cruise dinner. The 500-passenger, award-winning Miss Dixie is the largest cruising vessel in South Lake Tahoe. And today we are actually here in Miss Dixie dinner cruise, and we just finished our dinner, and now we are sailing here. One of the great island here in Lake Tahoe. It's such a great experience, and if you haven't tried and you're gonna get a chance to visit Lake Tahoe, please don't forget to do this Miss Dixie dinner cruise. Miss Dixie cruises depart directly from Zipper Cove Resort and Marina. Oh my god, they're taking pictures over there, and this is very scary. I can't do that. Oh my god, look at these two. Megan Dennis is taking a photo shoot over there. Okay, so we're going to start our hiking now, and of course my travel buddy.
Of course,
this is Mega.
This is one of the best places.
We're going to start our hiking, and we're going to walk 15 miles. Just explore the place. Mega, do you think you can do it?
Of course. If they can, we can.
Yes. Let's do this. Let's do it. Oh my god, guys. This is very tiring. And you would even believe this. We walked like about 15 miles just to see this place, and in a few more minutes we're gonna show it to you.
Yes.
My God, I can't breathe anymore.
Actually, it's good for the heart. But if you see the view down there, oh my goodness.
Bliss State Park is located on the western shore of Lake Tahoe, just north of Emerald Bay State Park. Yeah, this is something that we cannot see in New Jersey. It's like really beautiful. My God, it's really worth the walk. And if you haven't been here, please try to visit this place. It's amazing. You have to go all the way down here in Lake Tahoe just to see this kind of beauty of nature. It's really nice here. The weather's beautiful. It's like 75 and it's not that cold and it's not that hot. If you wanna feel and see the beauty of nature, Lake Tahoe is a place to go. Thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, this is Warren G. Chan. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.